People are looking at me like I'm crazy. That's okay, because this is for y'all. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. And if you're true to this and not new to this, welcome back. Because I want to bring y'all wonderful, useful content for this summer. I am headed to the store on July 4th to get some ingredients for some content that I am going to be shooting later this week. We're gonna be making some shrimp ceviche, y'all. Perfect for the summer. I figured I would head over to the grocery store to get all the ingredients. It is almost 1 o'clock. So if I can get this done real quick, I will be back home with time to relax. And no, I still don't have a mount for the camera, and I'm holding y'all in my hand, so we can't ride and talk. I gotta go. I'll see y'all at the stove. All right, y'all. We are here at the store, and we're gonna try to be efficient. So of course I made a shopping list. Can't go to the store to prepare to shop for recipes if you don't have a list. But here's my situation. My list. Oh, there's no carts in there? Oh no. Okay, we definitely need a cart. So my situation is this, y'all. I'm vlogging on my phone, and my list is in my phone on my notes. So yeah, we about to get it done though. So let's get us a cart. Okay, y'all, so for the tomatoes, what I was feeling for was to make sure the tomatoes were nice and firm and not very mushy, because when you make ceviche, of course, you're gonna have a lot of citrus juice in there, and all that acid will make the tomatoes break down even more, and then you got like this mushiness going on. So comment down below if you have made ceviche before, any kind of fish or shrimp ceviche or seafood ceviche. Let me know. Okay, next I need red onion. Y'all are not gonna believe this. There is literally not one. Let me turn the camera so you can see. There is literally not one red onion to be had. Ain't that about a... What in the world? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. I think I have some red onion at home. I just wanted extra for security. Clearly, you cannot have ceviche without your citrus. So I'm gonna get a trio of citrus fruits here. I'm going to get lemons, limes, and oranges, but I'm gonna buy my lemons and limes in a bag instead of individually. Got my oranges, and I don't want the orange flavor. Ooh, child, look at this. That's why you gotta check your fruit. This got a straight up hole in it. Let me replace this one. Okay, y'all, I got jalapenos. I got 3, you can see, because I don't want this ceviche to be super spicy. I wanted to have just the right amount of heat on the back end, not on the front end, because I want you to taste like, oh, my mouth is watering. I want you to taste the shrimp, the avocado, the lime. the sweet little crunch from the red onion whenever I find them. And the cilantro, oh my God, the cilantro. I want you to taste all the fresh flavors and not heat initially. Just on the back end, a little bit of heat. I really wanted some red serranos or something like that to give it a different color. But, child, I guess it's a shortage of some sort. So, no red onions and no red peppers. What they got against red up in here? I don't know. Okay, so cucumber. I forgot cucumber and shrimp. So let's finish up. Okay, y'all. I had to switch out for English cucumber. You see that? Let me see it. There you go. English cucumber. Because they are a lot more firm. I don't know. Produce is iffy these days. Either things are not ripe at all or they're overripe. So those cucumbers were a little bit squishy. And like we said before, since we're going to be adding a good amount of citrus to the ceviche, we don't want any overripe ingredients, especially vegetables. So English cucumber it is. It's going to be crisp, it's going to be cool and refreshing, filling at the same time. So the only thing left to get is shrimp. So let's go on over to the seafood department. Okay, let's pull up on these shrimp. 15 shrimp. Yeah. Okay, we've got lemons, we got limes, we got a few oranges as well. We have Roma tomatoes, and the firmer the better. We've got our avocados, large avocados that are ripe. You want them to be much softer. Let me pull one out. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Okay, there we go. See this, when you squeeze it, there's a little bit of give, but not a whole lot, which is perfect because I won't be using these until Wednesday, 2 days from now. So I'm gonna set them on my counter and they're gonna be perfect for the ceviche. And I have a little twist that I'm gonna put on the ceviche, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that when the ceviche recipe video drops, you get my tips and my tricks, okay? I got some cilantro, lots of cilantro. It's my favorite herb. And then I have ended up with a English cucumber. They are thinner, longer, and a lot more firm than regular cucumbers. The ones that they had today were pretty kind of mushy, and we don't want that. And then I got 2 pounds of shrimp just because, you know, I'm gonna play around with the recipe and make sure it's perfect for you all. So needed some extra shrimp. There we go. Got all of our ingredients for our shrimp ceviche, minus red onion, which I have some at home. Fingers crossed. Okay, y'all, before I get off of here, I do have a question for y'all, and I need you to answer below in the comments. It's a very serious question. Where am I supposed to be looking? Am I looking straight in the screen, or am I looking in the little camera? You know, I'm still new to this vlogging thing, so tell somebody, comment below and tell me where the hell I'm supposed to be looking, okay? Now, back to our regularly scheduled program, but got all the ingredients I need. Got to get some other stuff for other content, but I'm not taking y'all with me because I'm ready to get up out of this store. So you're just gonna have to make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you know that when I upload these delicious videos. Comment down below and share with friends, okay? All right, see y'all next time.